My dear students, my today's lecture is about mdcat. mdcat, ecat, etc. Those students who are taking participation within competitive examination. So the very first question within the test, that is comprehension. What does it mean? Comprehension means to comprehend. To comprehend means to understand. It means that some unfamiliar or unseen paragraph will be given to you, in which there will be a lot of unfamiliar words. So we will explain these unfamiliar words. So how we will explain these unfamiliar or unseen words? I am giving you some clues about it, and these are very important. Within the syllabus, you know that the very first point is contextual clues and illustration. Contextual clues and illustration. First of all, we will see what contextual means. Contextual means related to the text, some information which we are getting from the text, and we, according to that information, we will explain the given words. So we are unable to explain the given words from our own side or by using dictionary, but we are explaining the word with respect to the text. That is called contextual clues. What contextual word has some synonym as well, and you know vocabulary is very important, so I am telling you vocabulary as well. So contextual, paratextual, peritextual, subtextual, that is pragmatic. Pragmatic, you know, we are we are taking information for decision. We are taking information from decision. So write it down. The one word is paratextual. Paratextual means contextual. Peritextual means contextual. Subtextual means contextual. Pragmatic means contextual. Composition means contextual. So all these are related word to contextual. And then clue. Clue means to indicate or guide. It means contextual clue means that there will be some indication within the text about the given word which is unfamiliar. That is very important to note. The clue will be already given to us with respect to the unfamiliar word about which we are making explanation. So clue will be there. For example, we have a sentence: arboreal creatures are living in the trees. Arboreal, ARBOREAL, arboreal creatures are living in the trees. So arboreal creature has been underlined for the purpose to explain. How we will explain now? Just see the trick. In the trees, that is the actual clue. In the trees. Arboreal creatures, arboreal are those who are living in the trees. So in the trees is already given to us. So they are monkeys. Arboreal creatures are monkeys, squirrels, etc. Those animals who are living in the trees, bird as well, because they are creatures. So all these creatures which are living in the trees, they are called arboreal creatures. So clue is in the tree, and unfamiliar word is arboreal creature. This is first thing, first example. Second, for example, we have within Hubble, celestial objects are scattered within the cosmos or within the universe. So within the universe, we have objects which are celestial. So what will be the celestial objects? Moon, planets, comets, asteroids, gas, dust, etc. All those are celestial objects, because universe is given to us, and universe or cosmos, that is the clue. So that is very important to note, that clue will already be given to us for the purpose to explain the unfamiliar word. To explain the unfamiliar word. So be in mind this very important point. We have the first point within the syllabus, contextual clues and illustration. I have already explained about contextual clue. And now I am going towards illustration. What does it mean? Illustration, to make explanation. Illustration to make explanation. So illustration will be our literal or figurative explanation. Literal related to the text, figurative according to the figure of speech. For example, figure of speeches are imagery, that is personification. Mostly imagery or personification will be used. Onomatopoeia, in which, for example, buzzing sound. So buzzing, that is onomatopoeia, in which name is very important, whether is or sound is very important with the respect to its meaning. That is called onomatopoeia, etc. These things, synecdoche, that is paradox, that is epigram, etc. So these things will be given to us for the purpose that we must have an image within our mind that is vivid, or that is for the sake of explanation, because illustration that will be given to us with an example. Illustration is already when someone tell us that here is a problem you should solve, but with illustrations. Illustration means with examples. So here within comprehension, various examples will be given to us for the purpose to get familiarity with the given words which are unfamiliar. So that is very important. So these two important things, one contextual clue, another illustration. That is very important for understanding of a comprehension. Now how we will solve comprehension question? Within comprehension there are synonyms, there are antonyms, there are syntax, there are semantics, there are phonetics and morphology as well. But I will explain in another lecture about morphology, what morphology is. Morphology, the function of word in a sentence. So morphology is always contextual, but I will explain it in detail. Now I am focused upon how we will explain comprehension question. So that is very important. First of all, we should read comprehension question one time. When we are reading comprehension paragraph one time, then it means that there will be a pencil sketch within our mind. Within pencil sketch, everything will not be explained. When we are reading it second time, pencil sketch will be converted into a pen sketch. So there will be it will be illustrated, it will be explained now, because every part is clear. But when we are reading it third time, it means that there is a painted picture. Within the painted picture, every part will be explained, and there will be a comprehension of that thing within our mind, or understanding of that thing within our mind. Then we will focus upon contextual clues. When we are focusing upon contextual clues, we will explain the unfamiliar words. And then we will focus upon the illustration, the given example. For the given example, it will be easy for us to explain the given question which is given to us within the comprehension question. We will be able to explain the question because illustration, examples will be given to us, and through the example we will be able to comprehend this question easily. So this is the key how we will explain comprehension question, and that is the very first question within mdcat, ecat, etc. and mdcat test. And comprehension question is the question of every competitive examination, whether it is PMS, whether it is CSS. So that is for all English loving student, or those student who has taken English as an option as well. So for every student, comprehension question is very important. So be in mind three important things. One, a contextual clue. Another thing, that is illustration. And third thing, read this paragraph 3 times and focus upon the clue as well as upon the illustration. Then it will be easy for you, and we will solve this question in the easy way. Thank you very much.